In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging survey in Monday.com. Whether you're looking to gather feedback for a project or just wanting to organize your information better, creating surveys can be a powerful way to engage and collect valuable insights from your audience. So, let's dive into the process and explore how you can effectively set up an engaging survey right from your Monday.com workspace. First, begin by navigating to your workspace on Monday.com. Once there, you'll want to kick things off by creating a new board. This is where all the magic happens, as a board serves as the foundation for your survey. Simply click on the plus add button and select New Board. Make sure to name your board something insightful and clear so it's easily recognizable. Next, you'll want to add specific columns to your board. These columns should represent the information you wish to collect through your survey, such as name, email, feedback, and rating. Customizing these columns helps tailor your survey to best meet your data collection needs. With your board set up, it's time to transform it into a functional form. This is the second step of the process. At the top of your board, you'll see a button labeled plus add view. Click on this and choose form from the drop-down menu. By doing this, your board will automatically convert into a survey form. This means all those carefully crafted columns you initially set up will now appear as fields on your form, ready to gather data from your audience. Once your form is generated, the next exciting step involves customization. This is where you really get to personalize your survey and make it stand out. Monday.com offers a built-in AI feature that can significantly simplify this customization process. Utilize this AI to creatively generate titles, descriptions, and detailed questions for your form. This feature ensures your survey is not only visually appealing but also clear and comprehensive, ultimately enhancing the user experience. The great thing about this approach is that the form will seamlessly collect and organize responses directly into your board. This organized collection of data allows for easy analysis and decision-making based on your survey results. And just like that, you have now crafted an engaging and effective survey within Monday.com. Remember, the key to a successful survey lies in how you tailor it to extract the most insightful feedback. So feel free to revisit and tweak your board and questions as necessary to ensure you meet your goals. Armed with the power of automation and thoughtful design, you're now ready to gather all those valuable insights efficiently and effectively. Happy surveying!